Hey Caillou, it is the 4th of July today. Happy anniversary of America to you. Do you want a grilled hot dog burger and shooting off the fireworks?
Yes, that sounds so fun, Daddy. Let's going to fireworks store right now and grab the fireworks for 4th of July. But first I want to wear my new look for 4th of July. Yeah, the red coats are coming. The red coats are coming.
Okay, call you. Let's go into fire store today for grilling later so we can get the fireworks to play with and enjoy tonight.
Hello, welcome to our fireworks store. Now what firework you wanting to get for 4th of July?
I want sparkler, magic snake, smoke bombs, fart grenade, fountain work, evil ghost, big supras, explosion, bottle rocket, neon fountain, Dora and Friends fireburst, Nick Jr. sparkler, PBS Kids sparkling firework, and some snaps you throw on ground to making a noise, please, sir.
Okay, Caillou, here are your fireworks, and have a nice day and happy birthday, America, for 4th of July.
Okay, now it is firework time. Time to light this mother up for 4th of July in America.
Rosie want to lighting the fireworks too.
Oh my God, Rosie, not this. Bull. Again. These are my fireworks. You don't get to lighting them and setting them off. Now go away.
Washington. I'm gonna tell Daddy if you don't let me use fireworks.
Okay, you can using my darn firework. Just please shut up.
Rosie will setting off the firework. Washington. Whoa. Washington. Whoa. Rosie lost her arm.
Oh no, Rosie, we need to call ambulance right now. Hello! 911, my baby sister named Rosie got her arm lost from a darn firework. Please call the hospital and get the ambulance for us and sending the help right now. She is bleeding, okay? Thanks! Bye.
Hop.
I need to meet Rosie in the hospital right now. Washington, wow. Dead. Dad, Rosie is dead. She lost her arm and bleeded.
No. No. Rosie You made us lose Rosie, or you if Juil Haku I fu if fu huio sakok chiloit can eat tig juitra that is it you are fooing grounded for 43894394890 32480 32849 3284923 years. Go to your room and die.
Washington, wow. Washington, wow. Washington, wow.